Alright, good morning. Got a couple emergency jobs for some semis, so thought I'd show everybody my day job. And these particular trucks are put in on rubber gaskets, so those ain't too bad to get out. Just showing you a nice beautiful morning. Get there's a spot on the gasket that you line up. There's a little notch right here on the glass. Kind of gives you a center point to get started. And then you just work the gasket. And then you take a special rope, and then you put it inside the insert of the rubber that goes around the pinch weld. And I'll just show you on the inside quick what happens. You pull on this rubber. Hopefully you can see that. Get the winder centered up, and then you pull on that rope and it flips that lip up over the pinch weld, and then you pull on a little bit, go the other way, pull on the gasket, pulls it right in. Try not to go too fast. You can work it in. Just like that. Not all the way done yet, but I usually don't take the wipers off because that way you don't have to take off something that's just better. Alrighty, that one's done. And let's got two more in another town, so just as the sun's starting to come up. Love it. Absolutely love it. Let's go do two more.